Hey guys, I'm doing a review of the GoPro HERO 10 and the GoPro Quik App. I must be up. G'day guys, thanks for watching. Neil here, and I'm going to review the GoPro 10 and the GoPro Quik App. The app handles the curation, storage and editing of your photos and video, and not just GoPro clips. Content from your phone, drone or camera can also be used, which is new. That's good. Buying the GoPro HERO 10 Black makes it only my third GoPro. At the back is a 2013 3 Plus. And about 3 years ago I bought a 7 and now the 10. So I don't think I've gone over the top with action cameras, but they are a useful addition to your equipment. The 10 has a new processor which bumps its performance up 2 times. There's a new resolution of 5.3K which is available at 60 frames per second, plus 120 frames per second at 4K. Also, you can have 19.6 megapixel stills. There's also advanced stabilisation, horizon levelling, and the capability to live stream in high definition. You've also got Super 8 slow-mo at 2.7K, and the whole unit is waterproof to 10 metres. Because I'm a GoPro subscriber, I managed to get a bundle which included the camera and accessories for $5.99. This camera will automatically upload at full resolution to the cloud whenever you put it on charge. And that unlimited cloud storage is also part of the subscription, along with unlocking the full editing capabilities of the Quik App. You'll need to install the GoPro Quik App on your phone and then update the software before you can use the camera. Get the Quik App up. You have to hit the Add Camera button there. I'll put that on there. So add camera, it's searching. We found your GoPro HERO 10, pair camera, pair, change camera name. Install your update, continue. Connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Join, camera update, continue. Accept, I've read all that. Accept and continue, transferring update to your camera. The update is complete when you can see the live view from the camera on the rear screen. Filter over it. Oh yeah, there we go. I'll turn those off until I can have a go with the GoPro and see what the footage is like. We will return. Okay, let's try the camera out. We've come to the Botanic Gardens on an overcast day, but let's see how the GoPro 10 handles it. Next, we're going to run through the editing features of the Quik app. Okay guys, I'm going to go over the Quik app by GoPro. Open it up. Now what we've got to do is we've got to select some clips. Up here, you have an arrow. Select below. And you have 4 locations: app, cloud, tablet, edits. And just from the app, I'm going to select these 4 clips, 4 selected items. Add items to mural. Yep, create new event. Edit the title, so I'll call it 4 clips, gardens. 4 clips, gardens. Doesn't make sense, but anyway, at least we'll know what we're talking about. Okay, so now we're on. We now have to edit this. So what it's done, it's made an automatic highlight video, which is what you're seeing now. So that's nothing to do with anything I did, it's just done this with its own algorithm. Now what we can do is, we can edit this ourselves. You see the pencil icon down here? Okay, here we go. And then you've got a pencil icon in every frame as you highlight them. And if you hit that, you then get some tools come up. Okay, that's upside down. So that's, the algorithm has not picked that up, or maybe it thinks it was deliberate, I don't know. But anyway, we've gone to manual, so I've taken it off auto. I've put it onto manual. And we actually want to go to frame. Okay, because you see it has the rotate feature. So we'll rotate this the correct way and then we'll trim it. Now we'll go to trim. And we're going to move these blue bars from the back end of the clip to the front end. I really only want to have maybe a bit of those flowers up to about there. Oh no, it's not long enough. About from there. Okay. And we don't need the end bit, do we? Because that's obviously dodgy. Let's see how long that is. Yeah, it's got to end a little bit shorter. Yeah, that'll do. Happy with that? Hit the single arrow. We'll go to the next clip. We'll trim this because this doesn't need any rotation. We'll put it on manual. Even though it's a fairly new iPad mini, this is uses quite a lot of memory. I recognise them, I know them. Actually, I might go just to the start of where the sign is there. You see that? It's not being responsive because it's using a fair amount of memory to get to this position. There we go. So we've got a sign. Then we do a bit of a run past the flowers. That'll be enough. About there. Happy with that. Next clip is the tree. Okay, we will trim this. I just want to start at the base of the tree. Onto manual. So about there. And then it goes into me talking, but normally this will make a video with music, so I'll just have me flapping my jaws a little bit because you won't be hearing anything anyway.
This is still in cinematic mode. It's quite dark in here under the trees.
Yeah, that'll be enough. So I've accepted that one. This one I really only want to see Bailey, who's at the end. That'll do. Is that the last one? Okay, yeah, we've got the GoPro logo at the end, which you can disable if you don't want, but I normally leave it in. So that's our first frame. What we'll do is we'll choose some filters. So you've got a lot of filters arranged in folders. Greenery, one of these will probably do nicely. Something with a bit of colour. That one looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's brightened it up. Now what we'll do is, we've got a double arrow as well. We'll apply it to all clips. Yep, we'll accept that. So what we'll do is we'll put some text on here. If you were doing a proper video, 4 clips gardens, that'll do. Now, I think we're done. We can at least have a look anyway. So that's 41 seconds long. It's doing the editing, I'd say. Is it finished? Okay, let's go back to the first clip and edit it. And we'll have a look at the speed tool, because it would be quite interesting to slow-mo it through these, and there's a camera gets dragged through these flowers from about there. So I'll hit the plus button. So this is the speed ramp tool, and you've got your speeds here. So you can see there it's doing 1 times speed, so normal speed. We'll go down to a 1/10 and we'll bring the clip through a bit more so it can drag through that at a 1/10. We'll hit the button and then there, and then we can actually watch that back, on manual. Yeah, it's okay, isn't it? It's not bad. That audio will probably be drowned out. So there was another one. We could probably put some slow-mo on this one. So speed, there somewhere. Okay, we'll put a plus there. That says half speed, that'll do. Yeah, we'll do half speed. Drag it through a bit more. There we go. So speed 1 times, speed half. See our speed ramping on this one. Obviously, if it's something more dramatic, like someone on a snowboard or something. I think it was a pretty slow pan anyway, so it didn't, yeah, it is slowing down, but it's not really making much difference. But anyway, we'll leave it in. Next one was okay. Actually, yeah, we could put a bit of speed in this one too. Okay, so gone up to the tree. Comes to me. We'll put some speed in me yapping really slowly. Go drag it through a bit. That's a 5th speed. Okay, we're happy with that.
It's quite dark in here under the tree.
Yeah, that'll probably be, as I said, removed with music anyway. Now we'll put some we'll put a little bit of text here, recognising Bailey, and an exclamation mark, and a love heart. Okay. What does that look like? There we go. And what we might do is we might save that, save as new, and we'll choose the export quality. We'll go to 1080, which is 68 megabytes, that clip, and continue. As I said, very memory intensive this, it won't be immediately responsive. And it's preparing the video. I didn't show the theme side of the app. Adding a theme changes the whole edit. It's an easy way to get the look you want, so try a few and see what fits. Of course, you can individually change the music as well. They've got a library of music. We'll try one more. I like that titling too, that text. Everything goes to mural. Mural's a private wall. You don't have to worry about what's there. No one's going to see it unless you share it. It will do a highlights video and then you can edit it as we did. So that's a little bit of a rundown on Quik. It's quite powerful actually. And even if you just have the automatic highlighted videos, they're normally pretty good. And if you don't like them, you can just arrange to make it a little bit shorter, or you can go into a bit of a deep dive into the editing like we just did. Okay guys, I hope that's helpful. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.